Hello, hello, Cancer Collective, Summer and Rising. Ako po si James. Kamusta po kayong lahat? And welcome po to James Tarot PH. Diretso na po tayo sa inyong special love reading for the month. Kung kayo po ay naghahanap ng mga sagot o katanungan about your love life, eto na po yun. Pag-usapan natin dito. So, anything goes in this love reading. Tulad po na kagawian ha, kunin nyo lang po yung mga resonate kayo and leave the rest. Huwag po ipipilit kapag halimbawa hindi tugma. Kaya gamitin nyo po ang inyong intuition para makuha nyo po yung akmang kaloob sa inyo na inyong mismong spirit guide sa ating reading for today. So, paano ba magiging ayos o tagpo ng ating spread for today? Kukuha po ako ng isang card in describing the connection between you and your person. I will get another card for your frequency at this time, Cancer, and then your frequency ng person mo at this time. Dito ka, Cancer, at ito naman ang iyong person. I will get how do you view each other, how you feel about each other, at yung akaukulang action ninyo in the near future. I will also get a card for what you don't see coming. I will get 3 advices and then the potential outcome. Okay, Cancer, excited ka na ba? So, let's have fun. Open up your heart, your mind, and spirit para sa reading natin for today. Thank you po again for the likes, for the shares. Sa mga hindi po nag-i-skip na ads, saka po sa mga nagdo-donate, thank you again. That's one of the ways para po supportahan niyo po ako sa ating journey dito sa tarot. Okay po? So, thank you again for not skipping the ads. So, Cancer, ano ang naghihintay sa inyo ngayong love reading na ito? So, what is the connection between you and your partner and your person at this moment? Okay. The connection between Cancer and your person is the Seven of Pentacles. So, medyo meron kayong re-evaluating this time. Parang ngayon iniisip nyo, ano na ba status sa relationship natin? Mahal pa ba ako? Tayo pa ba? Tayo na ba? Ganyan. So, this time around, situationship ba kayo? Seryoso na ba kayo? Dapat na bang level up? Dapat na ba tayong ikasal? Dapat na ba tayong maghiwalay? Ganyan. So, there are a lot of things na parang na-evaluate mo at tinitignan nyong mabuti isa't isa kung happy pa ba kayo sa relasyon na meron kayo. So that is the initial energy and connection between the two of you. Cancer, your energy and frequency at this time, you have the Six of Pentacles. This time around, you're thinking, sana kung ano yung binibigay ko, yun din ang bumabalik sa akin. Now you're re-evaluating how much love you have given and how much love din ba bumabalik sa'yo. Ikaw lang ba ang gawa ng gawa? Ikaw lang ba ang nagbibigay? Paano naman ikaw? Pagod na pagod ka na ba sa relasyon na ito? You feel that you're not heard or you're not being listened to? So ngayon parang ang dami mong iniisip sa status at sa mga dapat baguhin sa relasyon ninyo. Ano? Ang frequency naman ng yung person, you have, wow, the Eight of Swords. Feeling niya trapped siya. O feeling niya wala siyang nagagawang mabuti o maganda sa relasyon niyo. Lagi ba kayo nag-aaway? Parang feeling niya hindi siya enough for the things na kaya hinihingi mo sa kanya at binibigay mo sa kanya. Parang feeling niya hindi niya kayang tapatan yon. So ngayon ine-evaluate niya kung tama pa ba siyang magstay dito o mag-move on na. Talagang feeling niya trapped siya. Sometimes, feeling niya mag-isa siya, Cancer. Feeling niya your person is so alone and wala nakikinig sa kanya, walang tumutulong sa kanya. O siya mismo sa sarili niya, feeling niya if your person feels so inadequate at hindi niya maibigay yung mga pangailangan mo at mga standards na gusto mo makuha from your person. Ano? So, how do you feel about your person, Cancer? You have the Two of Wands. You have the Ten of Cups, beautiful. And you have the Queen of Wands. So, nakikita mo itong taon to, very, very attractive. Itong person mo ang light of the party. Talagang pag pumasok siya, everybody's so happy, everybody's so giddy about your person. Siya yung uri ng tao na madaling mahalin, madaling ibigin, very charismatic, very confident, ganyan. And your person is very, very happy with you. At nakikita mo siya as someone that you want to marry, you want to have a family with. Siya yung uri ng tao na very family person too. Mabuti siguro relasyon niya sa pamilya mo. Siya yung uri ng tao lagi sinasabi sa'yo na gusto niya magkaanak with you or build a life with you. And nakikita niya yung future niya with you. Meron siyang plano para sa both of you, whether going abroad to give you the better life na gusto mo, o kaya both of you are having this mutual plans in the future. So nakikita mo na talagang compatible kayo at meron kayong ugnayan na talagang pangmatagalan. I don't know what happened, why your person and you are reevaluating things now. Kasi ang ganda ng pananaw mo sa kanya, oh. Ang ganda ng tingin mo sa kanya at kung paano siya sa'yo. So how does your person sees you? Meron siyang Six of Cups. Meron ding Star card and the Empress card. So nakikita niya na there's someone in the past, Cancer. Someone in the past that's quite meddling o medyo nanggugulo ba sa inyong ugnayan, someone that you know o someone that your person know, pwede rin sa past niya ito na pinagkatalunan ninyo. And parang nag-shake up ang future. You're very future-oriented, Cancer. Parang hanggang kakasal ba tayo? Kung kinasal na tayo, hanggang anong gusto mo sa buhay natin? May bahay na ba tayo? So, you're always thinking step forward sa stability ng family mo, which is good kasi ikaw gusto mo sigurista ka din, but your person thinking na parang you're trying to be so selfish at this time na parang sarili mo na to iniisip mo and not para din sa kanya, so parang siya feeling na trapped. Kaya siguro may mga past also issues sa inyong dalawa na lagi bring up every time you talk about each other. And your person sees you as a very, very attractive kind of person. Parang pwede ka maging nanay ng mga giging anak niya. O ikaw ba ang nanay ng anak niya? Is that the case? But someone that is so nurturing and loving like a mother, ganyan. But I'm seeing here also that, I don't know why biglang pumasok, your mother or your person's mother is meddling in the relationship. Kaya siguro yung mga pangarap ay nagagalaw, yung mga gustong gawin sana ay nagagalaw, hindi nyo na masyado na pag-uusapan because someone is really meddling from your past or from your family. Someone that you know is meddling in the relationship, ganyan. So how do you feel about your partner, Cancer? You have the 8 of Cups, you have the 5 of Pentacles, and you have the High Priestess. Okay, ngayon, pagkakatiwalaan mo ang sarili mo this time, Cancer, and you're ready to walk away from this relationship because you feel so alone then. You feel that this person is not giving you the things that you want. Kasi nga medyo closed off siya ngayon, parang hindi niya alam din gagawin sa sarili niya. Parang stuck siya, ganyan. At ang dami mong question sa kanya, ang dami mong mga gustong itanong pero hindi niya masagot. So ngayon parang alanganin ang relasyon ninyo. And very, very struggling with money siguro and also with how your person treats you. Pinapabayaan ka ba niya o may ginagawa siya against your will and you're so hurt and you want to walk away. O gusto mo munang dumistansya sa kanya. So how does your person feels about you, Cancer? You have the Ace of Pentacles, you have the Temperance card, and you have the 3 of Wands. Your person is now waiting for an opportunity to contact you or change your person's ways. May mga bagay siyang gustong gawin ngayon pero naghihintay lang siya eh. Hindi siya yung uri ng taong kumikilos pero very, very patient siya this time. I'm seeing talaga na meron kayong binubuo o gustong gawin sa buhay nyo together but your person is not capable enough para gawin yon. Kaya ngayon naghihintay siya ng right opportunity para gawin yung mga bagay na pinaplano ninyo. Pero it takes time eh. Cancer, Temperance is a very delayed energy. Matagal tong gawin. So matagal ang proseso. So matagal niyang pinoproseso itong nararamdaman niya for you, especially with the plans moving on with both of your lives. Aalis ba siya, Cancer, for the opportunity na naghihintay for the both of you o para sa sarili niya? And dito, iniisip niya, tinitimbang niya kung paano. Because this person wants to be with you definitely, but, ang dami niyang kailangang abutin sa buhay at baguhin sa sarili niya in order for you to feel fulfilled. Kasi this time, maraming struggling in your part and you want to get this pentacle para maayos ito. But you're willing to walk away and choose yourself because ang daming questions. And this time around, naramdaman mo na kailangan mo dumistansya because parang walang nangyayari, ano? The things that you want to have as a reciprocation, tinitimbang mo, dapat pa bang ilaban ito? Worth it pa bang ilaban ang pag-iibig na to? And now I'm seeing you walking away. Okay? So your next action in the near future, Cancer, you have the 6 of Swords, you have the Death card, and you have the 9 of Swords. Okay. So now, because it's too much for you, sobra-sobra na, parang hindi mo kaya na manatili sa isang relasyon na parang wala namang katutunguhan o walang mangyayari. Kasi parang aalis nga siya eh. Your person is walking away and running for his or her pentacle, yung parang future niya, yung opportunity niya. And it takes time. Katagal siya doon. Kaya ikaw iniisip mo paano to. Parang okay, it broke your heart. I'm seeing you walking away too. You're in the transition of, nasa transition ka na pagbabago sa buhay mo and it's so hard for you. Pwedeng iaalis ka rin ng bahay ninyong dalawa o kaya you're now single of course and kukunin mo na yung mga gamit mo, you're starting a new life on your own and napakahirap itong transition na to. But you're getting there, especially with the 6 of Swords here. It's a good card, both of this. So it's a transformation on your part and starting over. Okay, Cancer? So what will be your partner or person's move towards you? You have the King of Wands, you have the 10 of Swords, and you have the 2 of Cups. Okay, this person loves you so dearly. Pagalaban ka naman niya, but your person is dealing with a lot of things right now. A Cancer. may pagkatapos sa kabiguan niya o pagkatapos sa mga responsibilidad niya at mga dapat niya, mga daladalahin niya. So, nahihirapan siya ngayon na gawin kung ano man ang dapat niyang gawin. Pero ang sigasig sa puso niya, ilaban ka at magkipag-communicate with you. At magsabi sa'yo, o ilaban pa, one more chance. Pero ikaw, you're on the transition of moving on na Cancer eh. So, it's up to you. Will you accept this person kahit na ang dami niyang daladalahin, ang dami niyang responsibilities, ang dami niyang problema? Kaya mo ba siyang tanggapin sa buhay mo? Nasa sa'yo yan, Cancer. So, what is something that you don't expect? Knight of Pentacles, something is brewing. Kung ano man yung mga bagay na pagdadaanan nyo together, it will take so long. Mabagal siyang kikilos towards you. I'm seeing you attracting a new opportunity in life at doon may focus sa sarili mo at magkakaroon ka ng bagong simula there. But this is a gradual change for you, Cancer. Ganun din sa kanya. Parang taliwas kayong direksyon pero siya umaasa pa rin siya na tatanggapin mo siya in the near future. Pero ikaw, I'm seeing you channeling your heart and life on something else na pagkakaabalahan mo away from parang distraction from this person. Ano? Parang doon ka na lang mag-focus sa iyong sariling future. Ano ba mas mahalaga sa akin this time? Saan ako patungo? Ano yung mga potentials and possibilities for me? Parang doon ka mag-focus. And this takes time. Hindi ito madalian for you. So, what are the advices? We have the Hermit card, the Four of Wands, and the Magician. I'm seeing you, ikaw, Cancer, you'll be working on yourself this time. Parang marami ka natutunan sa relasyon na to. And then you're thinking, ano yung mga bagay na kailangan kong baguhin sa sarili ko? Ano yung mga bagay na kailangan ko enhance so that when it comes to my new relationship, alam ko na kung ano yung kalakasan ko at ano na yung kahinaan ko at ano yung dapat ko ibigay at hingin sa isang relasyon na gusto ko. And this time around, you're thinking of a true committed relationship in the near future. Para next time around, kapag nagkaroon ako ng bagong relasyon, seryosohan pang matagalan, ganyan. So, there will be a lot of self-searching here in your part. Parang hanapin mo muna ang sarili mo, yung katanggapan ng sarili mo, kung ano yung gusto mo maganap sa buhay mo before you step out and find a new lover. Okay? Another advice, you have the King of Cups, the Page of Swords, and the Seven of Cups. Your partner is now having this, tinatry niyang ibalansehin ang buhay niya, tinatry niyang tanggapin kung ano man ang magiging decision mo, but palagi kanyang tinitignan sa social media, sa chat, sa Instagram, sa yung Facebook, lagi kanyang chine-check kung okay ka ba, kung ayos ka ba, but this person is opening up yung self niya sa ibang tao. Marami na siyang options in the near future. Okay? Another advice, you have the King of Pentacles, the Hanged Man, and the Queen of Cups. Ipahinga mo daw muna ang puso mo, Cancer, and focus ka na lang muna sa mga opportunities waiting for you. Magpayaman ka daw muna and always focus more on what's valuable na alam mong hindi aalis sa buhay mo. At kaya mong palakihin, kaya mong payabungin. You can make this as a long-term na mapanghahawakan mo. Halimbawa, bahay, ganyan, kotse, ari-arian, negosyo, pera. Yun ang mga bagay na kailangan isipin. Pahinga mo daw muna ang puso mo. Okay, Cancer? The outcome for this connection you have, kasi may pag-asa ka pa naman, di ba? Kaya niyang baguhin, kaya niyang mag-offer pa rin sa'yo, pero may mga kailangan siyang ayusin sa buhay niya. So, anong outcome ninyo? You have the Ace of Swords, you have the Six of Wands, and you have the Nine of Cups. Ooh, there will be a connection between the two of you in the near future. This outcome can change depending on your decision, Cancer. Meron kang freedom to change whatever na darating dito. Kaya mo mag-decision on your own. And this is a outcome, a potential outcome. So, pwede ito magbago. There will be a connection between the two of you, a communication, para a clarity between the both of you that will give you the satisfaction and fulfillment na parang, okay, mag-uusap tayo. Ano ang life mo now? Ano life ko now? Kaya pa ba natin ibalik yung dati? Can we start over? But I'm seeing you still going out and enjoying your life and achieving both of your achievements separately. That's what I'm seeing here. Para magkakaroon lang kayo ng open communication in the near future and you will see kung kayo pa ba o hindi. Papakiramdaman mo muna kung enough ba yung fulfillment na meron ka, enough ba yung fulfillment na meron siya to start over. At doon manggagaling sa inyong dalawa yung potential na pag-start ng relasyon. Kasi parang itong taong to masyadong malayo na siya sa buhay mo and marami siyang dapat gawin sa sarili niya. And ikaw naman, may mga hinahangad ka na hindi niya kayang ibigay. In the near future, matatapatan na ba niya yun? We will see. Pero nakikita ko dito, you'll be very, very fulfilled in both of your lives. Communication is open, but both of you are very, very happy with the achievements na nagagawa ninyo separately. So parang ganun, magkakaroon kayo na parang magandang ugnayan. Friendship muna, nothing is leveling up, pero magandang simula na yun for the both of you. Parang come what may, siguro kung magiging tayo ulit, mararamdaman natin yun. Pero ngayon, matawa muna tayo sa open communication, sa natatamo natin sa isa't isa on a different level, but you are very, very open with this person. So, Cancer, sa po kayo nakarelate, sa po kayo nakaresonate, comment down below and I'll be reading your messages. That is your love reading. Thank you again for watching. This has been James for James Tarot PH. God bless everybody.